If you want to know how you can import multiple wallets to your Metamask Chrome extension, or how you can import an already existing wallet to your Metamask Chrome extension on your mobile device, then keep watching. But please do note, whatever I show in this video is basically for educational purpose and nothing more. Please do your own research before you implement anything you learn online. If you're ready for this, let's go. The first step is to make sure you have this browser here, Kiwi browser. Make sure you have it downloaded. You go to Play Store, download it, okay? So mine says update because I already have it installed on my mobile device. So once you have the browser installed on your mobile device and then you launch the browser, if you come to these three dots here and scroll down to this place, you can see that I have two extensions here on this browser. I have the Ronin wallet extension, and if you look closely, you also see I've got the Metamask extension. Okay, so for you to be able to import multiple wallets, you need to be able to first have Metamask installed as an extension. Okay, you need to first have it as an extension on this browser. Okay, you can see I have it here as an extension, so that means I can proceed with this process. If you don't know how to add Metamask to your browser, if you don't know how to add it to this Kiwi browser like this, just like we have it here, then I have a video linked in the description. The video is going to show you how to do that. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to learn how to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click on that Metamask logo down there. So that's going to take me to, so that brings me to this place. So what I'm going to have to do is to scroll down here. You can see where it says down here, you can see where it says import using secret recovery phrase. So now to import my Metamask wallet, a wallet I have elsewhere, okay, what I'm going to have to do is to click on this. So that's going to bring me to this page, so where it says restore your account with secret recovery phrase. So what I'm going to have to do is here where it says wallet secret recovery phrase. So the Metamask wallet you want to import, while you were creating that wallet, you were shown a sequence of 12 words called seed phrase. Okay, so you will have to copy the seed phrase, those sequence of 12 words, and paste them in here. Write them in the same exact order they were shown to you. So you write them here, and once you are done writing them here, the next would be to choose a new password, confirm your password, and then you're gonna restore your wallet. Okay, so that's how you can restore your wallet. It is not difficult. Now another way you can do this is to log in right here where it says password. So I could simply log in into this wallet. Once you're in here, your Metamask dashboard is going to look like this once you're logged in. So the next thing you would do to import another wallet here, or to import multiple wallets, would be to come to this logo here, that logo up there. So you're going to click on that. So if you click on that, that's going to show you this. So you can see where it says here, you can see I have two accounts here. I've got the first one and the second one. So you could create another account by clicking on this one, or you could simply import an account. You can see it down there. Okay, and you can also connect a hardware wallet. Okay, so this would be a lesson for another day. Okay, so what I want to show you now is this one. So if we click on import account, so that's going to bring us here. So if we kind of zoom this in, so you can see here it says private key. So we should select the type. So if I click on that, you can see there are two possible ways you can actually import your wallet. You could import using your private keys. You could also import using your JSON file. Okay, so let's stick with this. So the next thing will be to paste your private key here. Okay, so the sequence of 12 words which you recorded while you were creating your account, you would have to paste them here. And once you have them pasted, and then you would just simply hit the import button, and then your account would be imported here. Okay, and that's it. And once it is imported, if you click on this here, and then you'll be able to see the account here. Okay, so and it's also very important to know that any imported account here has its own unique seed phrase. Okay, so you might be saying, well, I've forgotten my seed phrase. How am I gonna remember what my seed phrase is or what those words are? Okay, so if you can still access your MetaMask wallet, let's say the wallet you want to import is on another mobile device, okay, and if you can still access that wallet, what you have to do is to go to your wallet, okay, whatever wallet you have, and then you don't know what the seed phrase is. Okay, if you can log into that wallet, okay, all you would have to do is to come to where it says these 3 dots there. Go to these 3 dots and then you hit those them. Okay, so if you hit that, so you're gonna see where it says account details, so you're gonna click on that. So that's gonna bring us here. So if we scroll down here and kind of zoom this in, you can see where it says down here, export private key. So if you hit this now, it's gonna show you your private keys. Okay, so you could use those private keys to import your MetaMask wallet anywhere you want to import them. Okay, so and it's very important that you have your private keys written in a secure place and make sure nobody sees it. But this is it for today's video, and this is Brigxel Bees, and is your guy Ken signing out.